Welcome to Cruising World, where we bring you the latest in sailing innovation and adventure. Today we're joined by Frank Voogd, VP Yacht Ownership at Sunsail Moorings in Leopard. We're here to talk about the new Leopard 46 sailing catamaran. With a hybrid propulsion option, integrated solar, design focused on both charter and private ownership, this cat is making waves in the multi-hull world. How did that dual purpose influence the design strategy of this boat?
We initially designed boats for the moorings, then Sunsail came in, then we started Leopard like in the early 2000s. What we do for charter is actually attractive for the owners. The reliability, the easy maintenance, is things that the owners are looking for anyway. Also, it comes with a layout. The main difference being all the charter boats with us are the same. They're packaged up front. They're all identical. So if you charter a boat in the Med or in the Caribbean, you're on the exact same boat. Where Leopard, you have a list of options that we offer to the owners at the factory and also aftermarket.
And here we are at the nav station interior on the Leopard 46. The Leopard 46 offers an optional hybrid propulsion system, which isn't available on the charter version. Frank, can you explain how it works a little bit and what advantages it brings to private owners?
It's two electrical motors, 25 kilowatt in each hull. Each hull has its own independent propulsion package separate, so that creates some redundancy with a electrical motors, which is actually a pod. And then in front of it, there's a very large lithium battery bank. The difficulty here is the different current frequencies for all that to work together with an advanced software, really. So you're seeing actually the screen here where you have all the input-output, because on top of this, with this package here, you're able to regenerate. So if you're sailing in a decent breeze, then you can regenerate current. We also integrated a large amount of solar panels on this boat. And then there's what we call a range extender, which is like a generator.
Right, and now we've moved to the main salon area of the 46. One of the standout features is this fully retracting 4-panel door that allows this flow. How does this enhance the onboard enjoyment on the boat?
First of all, we want to maintain the ability to close this boat. So we have a cockpit that's very well defined, and you have an interior. There's not the same upholstery. You still want to be able to sit outside and enjoy the weather, but also in the bad weather, you want to be able to close these doors. In the open position, you can basically sit 12 people here. The stable actually opens up here. So in the open position here, and you can sit 12 people that are together. Equally, you can do the same in the cockpit.
I'm also noticing a cool forward door here and a forward cockpit area, which is a design trend we're seeing on more boats these days. Tell us about the design influence on that.
It's creating really two main things. Is accessing the foredeck from here, so you can access quickly from the helm station. Our helm station is part of the cockpit, so it's a quick access. It also creates wonderful visibility, and then once the door is open, it gives you unbelievable ventilation. So the circulation is first class. You have the whole length of the boat that's ventilated.
And we got a special guest here, Michael Robertson. He's the design manager for Robertson Caine to talk about some of the finer design aspects of this Leopard 46. I want to start with these windows, massive windows here. Obviously, we're talking about having guests, family aboard. We're thinking about safety. How do you put it all together in terms of design and build quality?
The panoramic windows is obviously a key feature of our design, but we had to really integrate it with our structure as well. So we have our perfect position for mast, which we've lined perfectly with our mullions that are now structural with bulkheads. Doing this with our infused deck that comes throughout the salon reduces additional parts, additional material, thus creating a better displacement for the vessel. And what used to be acrylic, these windows are now glass, and coupled with the various elements that I just described, really produce an optimized, robust and sturdy structure.
And now we've moved down to the owner's suite. Leopard offers a number of interior living accommodation spaces. Can you walk us through those?
What's unique on this, and we've never been able to do before, is in our 46-foot boat, in that budget as well, we can offer a 4-cabin layout that includes a very large owner's cabin. We utilize the peak, so we can have an owner's cabin plus 3. Before, we had an owner's cabin plus 2. We can also do an owner's cabin, the VIP cabin forward. You have the guest cabin to port, so that's owner's cabin plus 2 guest cabin and a utility room on the port instead of the forward port cabin and head. It's a very popular feature for live-aboard customers.
So now we've moved up to the helm station, and we talked about a lot of livable space down below. I'm seeing a lot of livable space up top as well. Yeah. Frank, can you tell us a little bit about the design here?
The helm station is part of the cockpit, so you have full visual on your crew. From here, from this helm, you can see both transoms, you can see your bow. We got 2 primaries here, electric, plus we have a dedicated electric winch for the main the mainsail only. Boat performs well in light air, in medium air. We can create a tunnel, so the boat will move even in 5-6 knots of wind, we get a decent speed. The access to the lounge is from the port side, so there's no disruption of the helm area here. This is really to maneuver and to drive the boat.
Well, thank you, Frank, and really, we feel like we're looking at the next evolution here of catamaran cruising, so much so that I believe you just won our Boat of the Year award for full-size catamaran, 45 to 50 feet. Congratulations on that.
Thank you very much to Cruising World. I think we also have a good relationship with the magazine, and you guys have always been very supportive, so thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, Michael. And for Cruising World, I'm Andrew Parkinson.